Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to know if your Instagram account has been banned. It can be frustrating when you're not sure what's going on with your account, so we're going to walk you through a few different ways to check if you've been banned. The first way to check if you've been banned is to ask a friend to search for your account. If they can't find you, it's possible that your account has been banned. However, this isn't always a foolproof method, as there could be other reasons why your account isn't showing up in search results. Another way to check is to log out of your account and then log in again. To do this, tap on your profile picture icon and then tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings and then Security. Scroll down to the end of the list and tap on Log Out from Account Name. Once you've logged out, log back in by typing in your username and password. If your account has been deactivated, you'll see a message telling you so. You can also look for pop-up messages on Instagram. If your account has been action blocked, you will likely encounter pop-ups saying something like, "You're temporarily blocked," when you try to interact with others or post. If this pop-up appears, try using the Tell Us button to request that Instagram review the action block placed on your account. Finally, check your email for a message from Instagram. If your account has been banned, you will likely have an email from Instagram telling you so and giving you options to appeal the ban. Be sure to check the email you have linked to your Instagram account. In conclusion, there are several different ways to check if your Instagram account has been banned. By following these steps, you can determine whether your account has been banned and take the necessary steps to appeal the ban if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.